In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start working with Deliveroo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking for a full-time job, a part-time gig to earn some extra cash, or just wanting a bit more flexibility in your work life, Deliveroo offers a variety of opportunities that might suit your needs. So let's dive right in and get you started on your journey to working with Deliveroo. First, you'll want to check out Deliveroo's official careers page. To do that, open your preferred web browser and type in careers.deliveroo.co.uk. This is your main hub for finding the latest job openings and opportunities that Deliveroo has to offer. It's always best to start here to ensure you're receiving up-to-date and legitimate information directly from the source. Once you're on the careers page, look towards the top right of your screen for the menu button and tap on it. This will give you access to more options and help you navigate through the site efficiently. Exploring the menu is a crucial step because it will lead you directly to the available job listings, making your search quicker and more streamlined. Next, find the Find a Job option from the menu and give it a tap. This will redirect you to a section where you can start filtering through the job listings. Deliveroo provides many roles, so it's important to hone in on the positions that match your skills and preferences. Now you'll see a filter icon. Tap on this icon so you can narrow down your search by location. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to specify which areas you're willing to work in or are most convenient for you. When you're dealing with a company like Deliveroo, which operates in various regions, filtering by location can save you a lot of time and helps you avoid applying for jobs that simply aren't feasible for you. Once you've set your location preferences, scroll down and choose your country from the options provided. This helps to further localize your job search and ensures that the opportunities presented to you are relevant and attainable based on your geographic location. With your location set, continue scrolling down through the list of job openings. Take your time to peruse the available positions and see which aligns best with your career goals or current life circumstances. If you find a job opening that piques your interest, click on it and select Apply Now. This will be your official entry into the application process, so make sure you have your updated resume and any other necessary documentation ready for upload. After submitting your application, the waiting game begins. Be on the lookout for a call or an email to schedule an interview. It's important to keep your contact information up to date and readily accessible during this time. Lastly, if you are selected, you'll need to complete the training and document verification process. This step is crucial in setting you up for success, as it not only prepares you for your role at Deliveroo, but also ensures that you meet all the standard requirements to get started on the job. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to launch your new venture with Deliveroo. Good luck and may your new role be as fulfilling and exciting as you hope.